Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about EverWebinar, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you split test or A/B test your EverWebinar webinar registration pages? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to split test your webinar registration pages in EverWebinar anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know it's important to split test your registration pages to see if one can perform better. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your EverWebinar dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my EverWebinar, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to split test your registration page for a webinar, here on the left side, click on Webinars. Once you do that, you're going to see all the webinars you're currently running. Choose the webinar that you want to split test the registration page for. So for example, this one right here, right above the webinar, click on Edit. All right, once you do that, you're going to see these blue bubbles. Click on Registration. All right, once you do that, you're going to see a drop-down menu, and you want to choose this line right here, Registration Page Design. Click on the pencil icon. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see all the templates that are available in EverWebinar. You can see for this particular webinar, we're using this one with this guy. Now, if you want to split test it, here on the top, you're going to click here, Enable Split Testing. Okay, once you do that, you get to set the percentage. So do you want to run these 50-50, which is what I normally do? I'll do 50 here and then B 50. Okay, so now that we have set up split testing, so basically what's going to happen, we're going to have version A that's going to run 50% of the time and version B 50% of the time. And we don't need to change the link. The cool thing about EverWebinar is they're going to swap in between automatically with the same link. So now what we need to do is we need to go ahead and click on B, and we're going to choose our template for our webinar registration page for this one. So we're already using this guy right here. Let's go ahead and maybe swap him out for this really simple one right here. We'll click on Customize, and I'm going to go ahead and use the bubble, Launch Builder. Okay, so here we can go ahead and customize this landing page B. So maybe I'll add a picture, maybe I'll change the words around. So once you're done, click on Actions and then Save and Exit. Okay, so now you can see right here, this one has a check mark. This is version B, and then down here version A. And once you set that up, go ahead and click on Save. Okay, so now it's set up for split testing, A/B testing. So right here, registration page design, you can see we have template 32 and 18 that we're split testing. So now when somebody clicks on my registration link, 50% of the time they're going to be brought to template 32, and 50% of the time they're going to be brought to template. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to split test or A/B test your webinar registration page in EverWebinar, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.